Alright Ben, so this is my 2007 mechanically 1955 Royal Enfield Bullet. The points distributors in there, that's the petcock. This is the iron barrel carbureted model, drum brakes. Some jackass tapped me at a stoplight, so I replaced the tail light with this trailer one. These are aftermarket signals. I made the mounts out of PVC and lamp parts. It's a custom air canister, a free flow exhaust, and yeah, there's the carb. So here's the starting ritual. Turn on the petcock, and I usually kick it through 3 times. I'll use the decompressor. Turn that on, turn this on, kick it through so the ammeter deflects, and then back, put on the choke. Even though it's warm out, I think I got to reject the carb, and try it one more time. It's not a quiet bike. It's got solid valves, lifters. You can hear the clacking. Solid push rods. I adjust them about twice a year. They're in there. Alright, now you hear the thump of the single. Got the little CRG bar in there.